Hey y'all, I am Dani Smith and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of my new Coach bag, and I'm going to share 3 different ways to wear black and white styled with my Coach bag. So make sure y'all stick around. Okay, so as you can see, it comes in a regular box, and it has a little black slip that carries the receipt in it. So very chic. And then it's wrapped in this brown paper with the little Coach sticker on it. And I open that up, and then it's wrapped in some more paper, like tissue paper. So I just slide it on up out of there. And as you can see, it's this cute denim, black denim bag. I actually, if you all don't know, I have a blue denim bag that's similar to this that I got a couple years ago that I love. So that was kind of what drew me to this one. This is kind of the black version of that blue denim. So just opening it up and showing you like what's inside. It has a little card holder inside. So if you don't want to actually put a card holder in here, you can just use the one that is inside. And then it has a strap that you can go ahead and add on to it, a little short strap, which I love. Showing you what's inside. And then next up, I am going to actually show you what fits inside of the bag. So as you can see, I'm putting a few things in there. So I have my phone that I'm dropping in there. My wallet. Like I said, if you don't want to use your wallet, you can just use the little card case that's already in there. I have my little mirror that I'm popping in there. Pen, my lipstick that I usually wear. Shout out to Lip Bar. Dropping that in there. My eye drops for my contacts. And my keys. So as you can see, even though it is very, it's kind of tiny, it does fit a lot of things inside the bag. So it's very cute. Very, very cute. So we're gonna move on to styling the bag. I don't know if I'm gonna make that. It's probably going to come after this. So I'm going to show you, I think I mentioned it before, but I'm actually going to do it after this clip. I'm going to show you 3 ways that I style a bag. One of them is actually this outfit that I'm wearing, but you know, you'll get to see it a little better. So that's that. Okay, so in my mind, this bag is very casual because of the denim material. That black denim. So I'm keeping it really casual with all 3 of the looks. So the first look that I'm wearing is just this cute band tee, this AC/DC t-shirt that I got from H&M. And then these nylon type shorts that I got. I think I got these from Revolve like last summer. There's some cute nylon shorts. Very comfortable. But yeah, just wearing the bag as a cute little accessory. You know I love my gold jewelry, so we got the gold jewelry on. Then I have on my strap up sandals. So yeah, I love this bag because you can it's long enough, the straps, that you can throw it over your shoulders. But you can also just, you know, wear it like in your hand, like kind of hang it down beside you. So very cute bag. Let's move on to the next look. Okay, the next look, another black and white look. I decided to do this white tee. So I got this white t-shirt from Banana Republic. It was on sale for like $12 or something like that. Basic white tee. I have on some black leather pants. I got these pants from Zara. I love these pants. But my way of kind of dressing up black and white is doing the gold accessories and a cute pair of heels. As you can see, I'm wearing my those heels that kill my feet. Like, they hurt really, really bad. But either way, wearing those heels, gold jewelry. I do a pop of color with my lipstick. So, you know, you can do black and white and still make sure that it's not boring. But either way, love it with this bag. I'm just going to throw it over my shoulder and just, you know, rock it on out. Let's move on to the next look. Okay, next up is this outfit that I'm actually wearing. Another cute white top. This top is kind of that slinky material. It's not really like a t-shirt material. It's very slinky. It's by Norma Kamali. I got this, I think, last year or maybe the year before as well. Very cute top. And then I'm rocking this cute skirt. I love this skirt. It is by the brand Topshop. But I picked it up from ASOS. Very cute skirt. Love the material. It's kind of that trouser. Y'all know how trousers feel. It's that like dressy type of material. But I still feel like this is a casual look just because of just how the top is. And I'm also wearing my favorite black platforms that kind of strap up to your ankles. So wearing those, you know, with my cute little bag, still sticking with the gold jewelry and red lipstick. So that is outfit number 3. I love it. I love all 3 looks. And it basically gave me an idea or plenty of ideas of how I want to wear this bag so that I'm not just buying it and then I'm not able to wear it anywhere. Thank you all so much for tuning in to my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget, I will be sharing more bags similar to this one, kind of with this same design. I will be sharing more of those in the description at the bottom, so make sure y'all go down there and check that out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you all hit that like button and subscribe / hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, which I'm trying to do every Thursday. So make sure you all come back next Thursday for a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram as well as my blog that I have. It is thedanismithlifestyle.com. So make sure y'all go and check that out as well, where I share more just outfit inspo. A lot of the outfits actually come from my YouTube videos, but they have like a place where I can store them. So that's where I usually put them on my blog. So make sure you all check all of those things out. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.